is wild.
Oh. Should I let him free or should I take him with me?
Έλα αγάπη μου. Έλα αγάπη μου. I don't know, the cat is wild. So, she wants to go out. Maybe she will attack me.
So, what I'm gonna do? Should I let him free or should I take him with me?
Hey, Psyna. The cat is in a good condition. Oh. Its house is around. And it will not be fair for this cat to put her in my shelter with so many other cats. It will be disaster. All right. Ella, baby. Oh. You change your mind? You want to stay? What you gonna do? Nice and warm inside? Or freedom? I will count to 10. If you will not go outside, I will take you with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are not going nowhere. I will take you with me. So my friends, I took the cat at the vet. That's why he's shaking a little bit now. I end up with some bites in my fingers, in my hand. No problem for me. Nah, you don't need to bite me. Hey. Oh, bless him. Now let's try to pet him without food. Oh, he showed me his teeth. Little more. Hey, guy, look, the wild boy. He's so different now. He's so calm.